Hi everyone, it's Michelle Litwiller with Owl Star Stampers. Summer is right around the corner and I am super excited about that. And to help kick off summer, I have 3 very fun classes to offer you. And so I'm just going to go over these classes the next few minutes to show you what is in store because you're not going to want to miss out. They're super fun, they're super bright, and super cheerful. So all 3 of these classes are only $27. And let me show you the first one. The first one is called Friendly Fins. And in this class, you are going to make these 4 adorable cards. You will get in this class a full embellishment as well as a blending brush and some mini dimensionals. With this class, you will need the bundle to create these cards just like I did. I used a lot of the dies for a lot of these little pieces in here. So if you do not have this bundle and you love this class, you might want to add on that bundle. The next class is called the Submarine Life. This class is also very fun and cheerful. And you will also make 4 cards. Again, they're $27 for this class. This class comes with a half a pack of designer series paper and a full embellishment. Here's another one of the cards, and we have this one and this one. So this class, I use the Submarine Life stamp set, and I also use the punch. You could probably cut them out if you want, but I do recommend the punch. So if you need those items, you can add them on as well. The third class I have is called Choose Happy. This class is so fun and versatile. You can make so many cards with this stamp set. So here's a look at the cards we have. We have a Be Happy, we have this cute one, this one, and this one. In this class, you will get the 3 twine combo pack as well as a half a pack of designer series paper. You will need the Choose Happy stamp set to complete the cards just like I have below. And this set is so cute. I think it's a great one that you can make tons of all occasion cards with. Now, if you happen to take all 3 of these cards, to thank you, I'm going to give you a free liquid Tombow glue, a $6 value I'm going to include it in as my little thank you gift to you. The other add-on that you can take if you take at least one of the classes is the Hello Holly Hawks kit. And so in this kit, you will complete 9 more additional cards. Now this kit has no stamping. This is a thanks. This is a thinking of you. You see the pretty sparkles, and a hello. So you make 3 each of these cards. It does come with coordinating envelopes, and there's no stamping in this kit. So it's just really easy add-on kit, and it's only $15 to add it on to any of these classes as well. I hope that you are so excited about these classes as I am and about summer starting. If you would like to register for any of these classes, look in the description below and don't delay signing up. You only have a week to sign up or until they sell out.